Hello, I'm Michelle Willard Hoffer of Soaring Minds and Soaring Minds Hypnosis. I'm also an author. I've written two books with Sunbury Press, and they are Soaring Minds Workbook and Journal and The ABCs of Narcissism, both available on Amazon. So today is May 7th. And we are going to, in this wonderful group, we are going to focus on reducing or eliminating your pain. You have to allow it. So if you are really ready to release a certain pain, and if it's something that your doctor would say, yes, release it, then this is for you. This is so much fun. I love this. My clients love this. It just validates everything I do. So what I'm going to ask you to do is go ahead and find that pain in your body that you want to reduce or eliminate. Just go there right now. I'm not using any music. I'm not changing anything. It's just going to be you and me. So go ahead and find that pain. And just one spot. You can watch this video as many times as you want for as many pains as you want. Doesn't matter to me. But right now we're going to focus on one area that you want to feel better. So sometimes, and you've probably found that pain. So sometimes we have pains from exercise, or we have pains from working too much in the house, like we've been doing, or hammering, or gardening. A lot of us are out there gardening. So you have some pain. It's just normal, natural pain. Pain that if you spoke to your doctor and said, hey, I need to get rid of this pain, your doctor would say, great, go ahead. That pain. So you know that this pain is just an indicator from your brain that your muscle has worked. You know, you've used muscles in your shoulders or your arms or your legs, knees, back, somewhere in your body, you've used muscles. Maybe it's a headache, a brain muscle. Oh. So you know that you're allowed to release this pain. This pain is just indicating, it's an indication from your brain that this muscle was used. So it your brain is a sensor sensing this and allowing you to feel it. And you want to turn down the volume on this pain. You want to make it go away. So you've noticed your pain, you know where it is, you're waiting for me. Come on, let's get to it. Okay. So I'm going to ask you again, do you want to get rid of this pain? And you have to answer out loud or in your mind, but it's better if you answer out loud. Do you want to get rid of this pain? Yes, 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 yes. The answer is always yes. So go ahead and close your eyes now. Now is when you can close your eyes, focusing on that pain. And so notice in your mind's eye where you are feeling this pain and how is your brain interpreting it. So on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being not so much pain, 10 being yowza, I need an ambulance. Where are you on the pain scale? Notice that right now. Again, your brain is interpreting this for you, and you know what it is. And you're aware of this pain. So how is your brain interpreting this pain for you? What color in your mind's eye do you see this pain? What color is it? That's right. There's a color. And what shape, if any, is this pain? Is it square? Is it a blob? Is it pointy, jaggedy, lightning bolty? Is it a mist? Is it sharp? You know the shape of your pain, and you know that the brain is interpreting this for you. So what I'm going to have you do is, you know where this pain is. And now you actually using your hands, you're going to have some movement. So you're going to use your hands, and still with your eyes closed, still with your eyes closed, I want you to remove this pain from wherever it is. You know, if it's from if you're having a headache, and you go ahead and remove it from your head. Just remove all that color, whatever that color is. If it's, if you're having a sore throat, remove it there. If you're having back pain, remove it. Arm pain, just remove it and bring it out in front of you. So go ahead and do that now. Remove that pain as long as it takes. There's always more to keep looking for it. Take all that pain out wherever it is. If it's in your leg, take it out. Take that pain out. Keep going. Sometimes there's a lot. And when all of it is out of you, I want you to check one more check to make sure it's all out, because sometimes it hides. So go ahead, do a swoop and out. And I want you to notice, still with your eyes closed, I want you to notice, has that color changed? Has the color changed? All right, so what you're going to do now is notice which way is that energy, that color, the color energy that your brain is interpreting for you. What way is it going? Is it going clockwise, counterclockwise? What way is it going? So go ahead and notice which way it's going, and what you are going to do now in your mind's eye with your hands, you actually using your hands, you're going to spin it the opposite way. So if it's going clockwise, you're going to spin it counterclockwise. Counterclockwise, you're going to spin it. So start right now, spinning it, spin that electricity, spin it, spin it, spin it as fast as it'll go, even faster, faster, faster. I'm even doing it too. Faster, faster. Spin that. Spin it, spin it, spin it, spin it. Do you notice the color change? Spin it even faster, even faster. Oh, it's going so fast. And when you cannot control the color anymore, just grab it, pick it up, throw it behind you, up and over your head, throw it behind you. Throw it away, up and over behind you. Up and over behind you, goes way off into the atmosphere, burns up, just like that, goes away. You can't even see it anymore, because when something's on fire, you can't see it, it's burned up, gone, can't be restored. Take a deep breath, still with your eyes closed. Take a deep breath. That's right. So now you have this area, and I want you to go ahead now, using your mind and your unconscious, go ahead and pour into that area that was once painful. Pour all this healing color, whatever color is healing to you, your brain is allowing for you. Pour that energy right into that spot. If you're having a headache, pour it into your head. Throat, pour it into your throat, whatever color you're feeling. If it was in your knee, throw it into your knee, pour it in there. Allow that energy to go, all the way in, all the way in. Feeling good? Yes, of course, always yes. Yes, feeling even better now. Yes, that's right. Now you filled that area with all that healing color, feeling even better. Now what I want you to do is take that, and in your mind's eye, you're just going to expand that color, stretch it out, expand it. If it happened in your knee, all the way up your leg, into your hips. Yeah, because you can feel good anywhere you want. And keep it going into your shoulders. Yeah. If it was your head, make it go down, all the way down. Expand that color all around you, all around. So much fun. Love doing this. Keep going. Expand, expand, expand. Feeling good. Put that color all around. You can even radiate it out from you if you want. Radiate it, radiate it, radiate. So much fun. Feeling even better, even better. That's right. And now go ahead in your mind, saying, feeling good, feeling good, feeling good. All is well. All is well. That's right. That's right. And when your brain has fully adopted this, feeling good, getting rid of aches and pains, getting rid of aches and pains now. Go ahead, take a deep breath, open your eyes, and now notice. Notice on a scale of 1 to 10, where's that pain now? It has decreased because your brain has allowed it to decrease. You have allowed your brain to decrease the intensity. Some people will have it gone if they were at a lower number. If they were at a high number, it might even be all the way gone now too. Depends on how much you allow. You can do this again and again and again and again. Get it all the way to 0, make it go away. And you can start a new exercise regime starting tomorrow. You can use your broom more often. You can ride that bike. You're going to feel better because you're just using more muscles. As long as it's not something that you are allowed to remove. So go ahead, enjoy this pain-free experience. Have a good day. Bye.